Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at BBD Bagh, Dalhousie at GPO office. Although I was born and brought up in the city, yet I had no clue about some of these legendary places that have been running since the times of British India.
Seuli, the Parcel Cafe, is a unique theme-based cafe located inside the Kolkata GPO building, inspired by the Indian Postal Service. The cafe has received a decent 4+ star rating on Google, with patrons praising its affordable prices, peaceful ambience, and colonial architecture. The menu is extremely budget-friendly and offers tea, coffee, snacks, and pastries.
What I love the most about this cafe is that its interiors are exactly the kind that I've always loved. Simple light shaded ceilings and walls with little pops of colors here and there, using furnitures and these arcs that you see in the pictures.
The GPO is located at a significant junction in Kolkata near other important landmarks like the Writers' Building and St. John's Church. Now this is Fort William. Built by the British East India Company in the then capital Calcutta, now Kolkata, Fort William is a significant testament to India's colonial era and was crucial in consolidating British power. But why suddenly mention Fort William in the middle of a GPO video? Well, the GPO Kolkata and Fort William are connected because the General Post Office is built on the very site of the first Fort William, which was destroyed after the Black Hole of Calcutta incident in 1756, while the existing larger Fort William is a separate military installation at the Maidan. The GPO's location marks the spot of the original fort.
दीदी একটা वेज पैटीज হবে एक वेज पैटीज दे दीजिए। ऑर्डर तो हम लोग प्लेस कर दिए, पेमेंट यहाँ पे कैसे होगा? पेमेंट यहाँ पे खाली कैश में होगा, कोई ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं होता है। कार्ड्स तो दूर का बात है, इतना विंटेज है ये प्लेस। पैटीज इज रेडी, इट्स हियर। द फनी थिंग इज दे डोंट सर्व इट विद अ केचप और सम चटनी और समथिंग। दिस इज आवर पैटीज। Let's try it, shall we? I'm eating patties dry for the first time. गरम भी बहुत है। Let's try. Very nice. अच्छा है काफी।
The interior is aptly done, with memorabilia from postal department thrown in, stamps, first day covers, even cute table lamps made out of letter boxes. Seating arrangements are spacious, gracious, and not congested. Staff is so friendly. Food is not prepared here, so you have ready-to-eat food which are warmed and served. I ordered one cappuccino for ₹70, which tasted so amazing. Seuli, the Parcel Cafe, as they like to call it, has been a popular spot for those looking for a peaceful retreat in the heart of Kolkata. With its comfortable seating and reasonable prices, it's an ideal spot to relax and unwind. The cafe's unique theme and colonial architecture add to its charm, making it a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists. Love the interiors.